Sorry for the parcel, because it's partially opened already. I was recording this earlier, trying to do an unboxing, and my phone memory just ran out. But what we have here is the replica eBay version of the EdgePro Apex. And first of all, it comes in a cardboard box with a black duffel bag. Make sure when you're buying this EdgePro Apex on eBay to read the description, because not every seller will include the bag, even if you pay more. So you could probably buy the cheapest one and you're not likely going to get this bag, but if you look around and read through the descriptions, you'll find a few eBay sellers saying that they'll include this bag with it, which is super nice in my opinion. Keeps everything neat and tidy. So inside the bag there is a owner's manual. It doesn't make sense if it's even in English. Yep, it's in English. Not bad at all. Lots of pictures. And then inside the bag there is a compartment with a microfiber towel and your sanding stones. There's 1500, 800, 400, and 180. And then to your right, there is the sharpener and a Sharpie pen. Just like a duffel bag, make sure you read the description. The Sharpie pen doesn't always come with your kit. You might be paying more, but you won't be getting everything. So make sure you read the description. And then here is the sharpener. It's pretty sturdy. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube that teaches you how to modify your sharpener. You can add a magnet, you can add a drill stop, and I'll be covering that in the following videos. It's pretty nice actually for a eBay replica. Rumors has it that it's actually the same company or same place that makes the EdgePro, who makes these eBay versions of it. So you're basically getting the same thing. The patent for these sharpener actually ran out a couple years ago. They expired a couple years ago, so it kind of makes sense to buy the eBay one, especially if you're just getting started like me. Comes with a spring already. I was gonna get a spring actually. It is one of the mods. The EdgePro model actually uses a screwball. Oh, it's right here. Which comes with a collar, and it like goes against this piece right here, so it would hold your sanding block in place. But the spring is a better or a more updated version of it, because you can now just, you know, stretch it open and take your sanding stone out, which is nice. Oh. It's got the degrees on there. And I think that's everything. For $30, I think this is a pretty good deal compared to EdgePro one, which is a couple $100. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and like. Thanks. Bye.